They're surprised. They ask, like, what happened? Well, I would even say, I upload stories saying that I'm happy, I'm thrilled. Now, for example, when I take photos, I don't use any filters at all. My name is Irina. I'm originally from Kazakhstan. I came to Korea to have surgery. I'm 41 years old. That's just a fact. I don't even feel embarrassed about it anymore. For me, I don't feel awkward talking about my age, for example, right now. Because when I say how old I actually am, how old, right? Well, for example, those whom I know, they're surprised. They ask, like, what happened? Or someone says that something about me has changed. Like, you look better, you've changed so much. And recently someone even said to me, oh, hi, did you get younger or something? They said it straight to my face, and I answered, what, can't you tell? Yes, people say that I've become younger. Even now, they say I look 27 years old. But the hardest part was the first 3 days. When they took off the bandage, the dressing that was on my face, and I saw myself in the mirror. At that time, the stitches were still very fresh, and probably those first 3 days were the hardest. There was no pain at all. Let's say no discomfort of that kind. It was specifically emotional because we are girls. Women, we look at ourselves in the mirror and love ourselves. For those 3 days, I looked and only saw more pronounced swelling, bruises, and those stitches. But then it started to go down, and that was it, really. Well, I would even say, I upload stories saying that I regretted doing it, but I said after a month, I will take my words back. That's for sure. And that's exactly what happened. Later, I said, no, I actually would have this surgery again. I'm happy, I'm thrilled. Well, probably just those 3 days, really. Otherwise, not very well. My husband was very supportive too. Even during those 3 days, when I was feeling emotionally overwhelmed, he would say, stop it, everything will heal, everything will be fine and beautiful. He said, you'll be thrilled later. And that's exactly what happened. And now everyone keeps asking him, aren't you afraid that your wife has become so young? Well, of course, I've become more confident. Now, for example, when I take photos, I don't use any filters at all. And before, I would always put on makeup just to go outside or to work. But now I confidently walk around without makeup, both outside and at home. And especially with these photos, all the girls choose filters. But I don't need any filters. It's not as if my lifestyle changed much. Post-surgery, few things have changed in my life. Even the fact that we moved to another city. We opened a studio, a beauty salon. Well, like, in general, I don't know, right now everything seems to be moving in a positive direction. And maybe it's all about the energy. When a person is confident in themselves, when they've learned to love themselves. And around me, people have also become cheerful and kind. That powerful energy significantly impacts them too, right? Go ahead and do it. I give it 300% because I would definitely do it again. And I probably will do it again. When the time comes, I'll repeat it, and I won't be afraid of anything anymore. Today, it's been 3 months since I had the surgery. This is me at 41. That's all. Goodbye, everyone. See you.